Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, we're gonna talk about the seven most important tools that every cyclist should have if you want to tune your bike and just for day-to-day duties. This is what I would recommend. By the way, before I go here any further, give it a like, thumbs up if you found this video useful. And we're gonna start right now without wasting any time. So the first one over here, before I take you over here, is this guy over here. Look at this thing. This is the park tool pump. And before you get yourself any kind of tool, you definitely want to get the pump. And I would recommend one with a Presta and shredder valve right here. So there we go. See, I have a Presta and I have a shredder valve right there. So like I said, the very first tool that I would recommend would be the floor pump. Of course, the one with the gauges. So look over there, there's a gauge, and that's the one that I would recommend. I would leave a description down at the exactly the pump like this. So I'm gonna leave it in the description right now. And let's get into the main portion over here. Okay, so the first one that you have over here, when you get a flat, you definitely need one of these tidal levers to replace your tube. So definitely you need a tube, and this is the one that you want to get. See, these are Zifal, but at the same time, if you happen to get these, if you don't have them around, I do also have a set on my multi-tool, and I get into it in a bit. So again, keep this in your backpack, and it's very important. So again, I said pump, tidal lever, and again, this is the next one. So I actually found this one pretty handy, and this is the smallest one. So AWS1, very nice tool for all kind of adjustments, to do my brakes, to do any kind of, very nice. Again, I'm gonna include the link in the description of this one, so you guys can find it and buy it. Again, how can a cyclist survive without the some lube? So again, I would definitely recommend some synthetic CL1 from the Park Tool. And if I may just find a place at the back here, look, made in USA. So this thing was made in USA. And for you guys, American fans, for the stuff that's made down in USA, there you go, Park Tool CL1. Again, I'm gonna have that in description. So there you go. So moving on to the number 4 would be, or 5 would be this guy over here. Look what I have here. So this is the MBT3 multi-tool. I do not recommend using this one. However, if you need like a chain breaker, see there's a chain breaking tool right here. And if you need any kind of tools that you don't use them quite often, this is a very nice tool that you may want to purchase. Now keep in mind, even this thing over here, these are the tidal levers. So this thing is very handy over there. Again, from the Park Tool, and definitely for you guys, I'm gonna include this tool in the description. Now again, you guys may have a screwdriver here on the multi-tool, but guess what? This puppy over here, this screwdriver, will make your life a lot more enjoyable. I mean, you're tuning on the bikes and whatnot. And if you look over here, SD1. So that's the code over there, Park Tool SD1. Again, I'm going to include this thing in the description and let you have a look how it looks like. Again, there's a screwdriver over here in this pack. However, this thing is gonna be a lot more easier and ergonomics. Let me just show you how soft these handles are. See? It's very soft. Again, now let's move on the last one. Some microfiber cloth. You definitely need this one if to give your bike a cleaning after the riding. So that's how it looks like. I'm going to put it back over here, and I'm going to put it back. And here we go. So let's quick recap. So we do have some screwdriver, microfiber towel, Park Tool multi-tool, CL1 lube, AWS, and then some tidal lever and a pump. These are the main essentials that every cyclist should have at his home in order to tune up their bike, do some repairs and whatnot. And there you go. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.